Today we're going to be discussing how to create animated videos for YouTube using nothing but AI. Now, we're going to be looking at 4 different applications in this particular case, or perhaps even 5. And I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do from beginning to end. Now, I will be starting a new YouTube channel very soon, and I'm going to be actually having a whole bunch of different videos that I'm going to pre-make before I put it into the channel. And I'll let you know a little bit further on what the name of the channel is. I already know what the name of the channel is going to be, and I've already created at least 24 videos. I just want to create a few more videos before I upload into it so that I can kickstart the algorithm. Now, we're going to be showing you from beginning to end how I do this, from the prompt of the script right through to the creation of the video. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now the first application I'm going to be showing you is one called TextBlaze. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because what this does is it allows me to be able to put little snippets of code or words that I choose. For example, this one, e-title. And I can put it anywhere on the internet and it'll put it up there for me. So for example, I want to be able to, and to be able to start what I want to do, I really need to have all these up here to make it a little bit faster. I'm naturally lazy, so if I can speed something up, I'll do it. So let's go and have a look at the first thing we need to do. Well, the first thing we really need to do is actually create a script. Well, before we do that, we need to come up with ideas. So I'm going to get ChatGPT to come up with ideas for me. So let's go over here. I'm going to be calling this one e-title. I'm going to go / e-title. And what happens is TextBlaze will then put that in here for me. Now that one here is e-title because I'm going to be creating a video channel called EasyTube Profits. And I'm going to be starting that the next day or two. So I'm going to be actually having here what I wanted to do. Now, previously, I had gone to a place called Creator Hook. Now, Creator Hook is a site that gives you viral video titles that people use in their channel. And they go through the net, look for the most viral video titles, and they've put down 100 and something viral video titles. And I put that into ChatGPT to remember. So that's what I do. I made sure that I had it already into ChatGPT and had it previously memorize it so that I don't have to constantly say, come up, here's the thing in titles and please remember it. So what I've done here is come up with a list of 30 ideas for my EasyTube Profits video channel. Use your memory to come up with 30 viral titles and ideas. Use the titles that I gave you previously. Remember to show the framework, click triggers, and hooks for each idea title. Remember that Easy YouTube Profits is about how to make money on YouTube before you're monetized on YPP. I can say on YPP, and all I have to do now here is hit that and it will come up with 30 fantastic titles. You won't get these titles from ChatGPT unless you upload that particular free ebook where you can go to Creator Hooks. Now, I can leave a link down below for Creator Hooks if you want to have a look at it, and you can sign up to that for free. It's better if you're actually in the paid plan because the paid plan gives you way more. Way more. But if you're in the free one, that's okay. You can still get this free ebook that you can then download into ChatGPT for it to memorize. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. The secret trick to earn $1,000 before YouTube monetization. That's pretty powerful. Why you don't need YPP to make big bucks on YouTube. That's another good one. And I've got it to write 30 of them. And what I'll do is I'll pause the video. Oh, it stopped. Oh, that's all right. 29 will do. Doesn't have to keep going. There's a bit of an error by the looks of it. That's okay. we'll just keep going. How to build lucrative side income on YouTube before monetization. I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to just have a look and see which one I might choose. And I'll show you when I come back which one I'm going to choose. Okay, I'm going to be using number 6 as what the actual idea is. How to get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Now that's the whole point of this channel, or that particular channel, is to actually show how to make money on YouTube before you actually monetize with YPP. So what I'm going to do is go here. I'm going to type in /SCETP. Now what that means is /script is YouTube profits. Now what I'm going to do is where I have all these lines, I'm going to now paste in the title. And there we have it. So I've also got a whole bunch of other information in here that I had previously put into using text blades. And then all we need to do is hit that and allow it to create a new script for us. Now I'm going to pause the video while it's creating the script. Okay, so it's finished creating the script. As you'll see, this is actually quite a long script. It goes quite a way down. And I made sure that ChatGPT was able to do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and put this straight into a Word document. Let's go over here, start a new Word document, and place that straight into here. Okay, so this is the entire script. And all you really need to do is just remove this sort of thing. And then we're going to go move on to the next section. What I want to do is get rid of all these lines. Just format it the way you want it. It only takes a couple of minutes. And then after that, we will move on to the next section. I'll just pause the video while I format it. Now I know from experience that this script is way too long. Let's have a quick look at this for where we're going to be putting it. But that's okay because we can always create 2 videos if we need to. And then we can butt them together. Now before we do that, let's go and have a look at what this is about. Let's go here to the review and we'll have a look at the word count. Okay, 1,648 words, which is fantastic. Asked for 1,500 or more. And it's given me more, which is great. Okay, so how many lines are here? Word count. Okay, so there are 249 lines. There may have to be 4 videos created out of this script because it's such a long script. So what you want to do is maybe find out how many pages there are and divide it by 4. Okay, so there are 8 pages, so 2 pages per script. So that's fine, we'll just grab that. So grab down 2 pages worth of script and that'll give me approximately 30 lines. Let's go here, we'll find out if that's 30 lines. That'll be fine. 60 lines, 64 lines. We can do up to 60 lines. So I'm going to cut 4 of those out and just grab the rest of those. Yep, that's good. Just copy that. And then we're going to move straight over to the next section, which is over here to text-to-speech OpenAI. Now, of course, we want to be able to have really good voiceovers, so let's just quickly put that straight in here. Now, of course, I like to use my favorite one, which is Echo. Echo is always my favorite because he just sounds so much better than the rest of them, as far as I'm concerned. You may have other ideas. Now you can choose to have a listen to what Allo sounds like, or Echo, Fable, Onyx, or any of the other hundreds of other voices they have in the system's voices. However, because this is free, I am going to create this one. So let's just create that, and I'll pause the video until it's finished. Okay, have a quick listen just to see what it's like.
How to get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Welcome to another exciting episode of EasyTube Profits. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem too good to be true, but it's absolutely possible. We're going to explore how you can get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers.
That is just awesome. I love the way it really emphasizes the 0 aspect. That's great. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder with this title, and then we're going to be putting that into that particular folder. I'll be right back. I'm just going to go click on these 3 dots, and we're just going to download this to the area in which I'm going to be creating. So I've got to create a folder for this, and I'll just put it into that folder. All I have to do is click these three dots, hit download, and pop it into the file we're going to be doing. I'm going to just call this one 1, and we're going to hit save. And I'm just going to rinse and repeat. I'm just going to go get the next section to this particular one. Luckily, it's already highlighted, so I know where it finished. I'll just go copy over the top of this. Scroll down till I get to approximately halfway down, or I'll finish it about there. All I have to do now is click copy. Let's just check the word count. Okay, so it's under 3,000 characters, which is fantastic. Just highlight over the top of all that, go Control A, delete that, then go Control V. And then we will now hit this to create another voice. Now I'm going to not go through all of these because that's just going to bore you to tears. So instead what I'll do is I'll wait until all of these audio clips are created, and I'll butt them together in Audacity, and then we'll move on to the next section. The next thing we're going to be doing, which happens to be Steve AI. So let's go over here to voice to video, and let's go upload this one. Now what you need to do is you need to have a small file to be able to upload into here. So I've got here number 1. I will then upload that straight into here. Now I'll just drag it across. You don't need to see me how to do that. I'm sure you know how to do it. You just left click on it and drag it over and pop it into this file. Now it does need to be a certain file length and certain file size. So if you create this in batches and do it in small amounts, this actually works very, very well. I'm just going to pause the video while it's creating the video. Okay, now what it's done is gone over here to you can go over here to what's called My Projects. Click on that, and this is where it'll be. So we can actually click on that, and we'll actually be able to see what it's created. Okay, so this is where you want to do it. I'm going to be calling this one YouTube, because that's what it's about. And of course, I don't want to go live video. We're going to be making this the animation video. We're going to be using all the sources. I don't want to add music in this particular case. We're going to hit next. And we can choose a particular theme. I think I will use this theme here. And we'll be right back when it finishes its uploading. Okay, now have a quick look at this.
How to get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Welcome to another exciting episode of EasyTube Profits. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem too good to be true, but it's absolutely possible. We're going to explore how you can get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers.
Now that's the first part. Now what we can do is once you have a look at it and you're happy with what you've done, you can then hit publish. Now I'm going to just hit publish because I'm going to assume it's okay. And then when you hit publish, you can then move across and redo this with the next one. Now I'm going to be making this one 1080 HP so that it can download the quality I want. And then we're going to just download this and put that when I do finally have it. Oh, I should also call that number 1 so I know what it is, but that's okay. We'll just keep it as is, let it do its thing. And then once we've done that, we can upload it into the folder. Then what we've done, all of that, we can then butt them together in your editing software. And I would highly recommend you use something like Active Presenter, which is really, really good as a editor goes. And then what you can do is once you've put it all together, you can then publish it on your YouTube channel. It really is as simple as that. Now, I'm not going to go take you past this part, except I will also mention you can also use this in Pictory if that's your option. If you want to be able to use Pictory, you can also do that here. Now with Pictory, you don't have to upload the voiceover. You can, but I would highly suggest you just get the entire script, put this entire script in here, then upload the audio afterwards. But go over to Audacity if you're going to be using this area. Give yourself some gaps between some of the audio so that it can so it knows where it finishes and where it continues. So it's as simple as that. All right, guys. If you got some value out of this video, How about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these applications to be able to create your own YouTube videos. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here, there's a video YouTube things you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And bye for now.